Provincial Planning and Development Office of Misamis Oriental under Stanley Oriarte led the 26th virtual flag raising on Monday, October 5, 2020, as the country continued to battle in what will be an ongoing struggle against COVID-19. It was on that very day that 19 retirees from the provincial capital were honored and given recognition by the provincial government of Misamis Oriental through the Human Resource Management Office, the accomplished officials and employees who have greatly contributed to the improvement in the delivery of public service received certificates of recognition and cash incentives. This is the province's way of thanking the Dream Team retirees of their long years of service. Governor GYVBE expressed his appreciation to them and wished them success and happiness in the new chapter of their retired life.
Thank you so much to Ma'am Marilyn Ligaspi, who gave me a wonderful recommendation as Local Assessment Operation Officer 4. And of course, thank you very much to Governor GYVBE who approved my appointment.
Gob, nagpasalamat ako kanimo, Gob, sa gikan pagtrabaho ko sa Kapitolyo. Pasalamat ako nimo pag-ayo nga muna akong kuha na abot nga trabaho.
Also on Monday, Governor GYVBE honored the hard work and commitment of teachers in the province in celebration of World Teachers' Day. He salutes the teachers and educators of this province for their unwavering commitment and dedication to their noble profession. Since 1994, October 5 was declared World Teachers' Day by the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization or UNESCO, aimed to honor teachers for their positive influences on Filipino learners and to build the image of teaching as an attractive and fulfilling profession. Classes have resumed in Misamis Oriental on Monday, October 5, even as schools stay closed to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Department of Education officially opened academic year 2020-2021 with 472 schools across Misamis Oriental, welcoming the students from elementary, high school, and community colleges. Without face-to-face classes, students will learn their lessons through various alternative delivery modalities with the guidance of their parents and teachers. Under distance learning, students will take their lessons using printed or digitized modules, online or through television or radio-based instruction. Though the challenge is immense, Governor GYVBE urged all teachers, parents, students, and LGUs to help support each other to stay safe, healthy, and well. During Monday's activity, the governor also took the opportunity to thank the legal team from the Provincial Legal Office, including its consultants, for winning the fight against the case filed by Vice Governor Jigjag Pelaez, board members Jerry Ku and Jessa Mugot. Judge Emeritus Filomena B. Rana Bernales of Regional Trial Court Branch 39 issued her decision declaring the 2020 budget and ordinances of the provincial government of Misamis Oriental as valid and effective. Governor GYVBE could not fathom what this battle would have been if not for the best efforts of Attorney Neil Pacana, Attorney Jocelyn Lod Mateo, Attorney Diane Babylon, and all other consultant lawyers. He likewise thanked the members of the majority bloc of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan who continue to stood for what is right for the betterment of every Misamisnan. On Tuesday, October 6, 2020, the Misamis Oriental General Comprehensive High School has formally opened its classes for school year 2020-2021. MOG's principal, Dr. Pedro Estanio, expressed his thanks to Governor GYVBE for the 7.4 million pesos assistance through the local school board headed by LSB Secretary Jerome Mundo. The said amount will be used to procure on-the-go or OTG devices which will be used as storage for videos and will be given to each student as supplementary learning aid to better understand their lessons. Wednesday, October 7, 2020, the Provincial Agriculture Office, through its Agribusiness Division, conducted market facilitation to the farmers in the municipality of Lagonglong. Before this, the office also conducted a facilitation service in Barangay Kaulayan, Sugbong, Cogon, Misamis Oriental in partnership with FICO Foundation on Friday, October 2 of this year. This province-initiated service is a temporary replacement of the farmers' market that aims to help the beneficiaries to sell and to provide free transportation of their produce to the eligible buyers, especially in these trying times. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic that has put everyone's life in a more difficult situation, Governor GYVBE Emano through PAGRO continues to find ways to provide services to the people. Likewise, on Wednesday, the provincial government headed by Governor GYVBE Emano alongside the Provincial Planning and Development Office headed by Mr. Stanley Uriarte initiated the third meeting and discussion for the annual investment plan and supplemental budget for 2021. Also present in the meeting were Board Member Wayne Militante, Chairman on Finance, Appropriations and Budget, Congressman Christian Unabia of the 1st District of Misamis Oriental, the province's municipal and city mayors, municipal planning and development coordinators, and various non-government organizations. The discussion tackled the finalization of the annual investment plan and supplemental budget for 2021. According to Mr. Uriarte, the proposed investment plan should have a solid and detailed presentation before it can be submitted to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for ratification and to the Department of Budget and Management for budget appropriations approval from the Bayanihan as one act. The onset of the pandemic has made the budget approval for 2021 even more important as Governor GYVBE Emano envisions a bright future for Misamisnans as he seeks to revive Misamis Oriental's economy. On Thursday, October 8, 2020, key officials from the Department of Health Region 10 and members of the Provincial Task Force together with Governor GYVBE Emano held an expanded emergency meeting to discuss efforts on the growing threat of the coronavirus 2019 health emergency. The task force under Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, including the Chief of Hospitals from the 8th MOPH, board members Nancy Madhos and Dexter Yasay, presented an all-inclusive, sweeping report of the province's healthcare plans to DOH. Hearing all this, Regional Director Adriano Subaan then expressed support to the provincial government in the application for a Level 1 classification in terms of functional capacity of the OWA Lubihid Provincial Hospital. He also proposed partnership in the setting up of a provincial incident command system as part of the latter's established plan in case an upsurge of COVID-19 cases will hit the province. Furthermore, DOH-10 and GYVBE clarified that the new facility constructed near the OWA Lubihid Provincial Hospital will serve as the provincial treatment or isolation facility based on the existing plan of the provincial government and not a monitoring facility for COVID-19. On Friday, October 9, 2020, was full-packed day for Committee on Agriculture and Food Security Board Member Eric Koo and Provincial Agriculturist Jose Apollo Pacamalan as they went to different events and projects in the province. First is the turnover of the third completed unit of the multi-purpose drying pavement project worth 490,238.59 of the Provincial Agricultural Engineering Division. The 15 by 25 MPDP is intended for the farmers of Barangay Anii, Claveria to use. Board Member Koo then visited the silkworm rearing house of one of the beneficiaries of the sericulture program of PAGRO, Mrs. Florisa Dokuyan. On his visit, Board Member Koo was impressed with how Mrs. Dokuyan was able to have additional income through short-term rearing of silk and encouraged other farmers to engage in sericulture as well. Right after, he and Provincial Agriculturist Jose Apollo Pacamalan immediately went to the municipality of Binuangan to attend the formal turnover ceremony of 2,000 dwarf Katigan variety coconut seedlings to the local government unit of Binuangan. Municipal Mayor Honorable Romeo Gue and Municipal Agriculture Officer Ms. Shirney La Rosa were the ones to receive the seedlings to be distributed to farmers. Before the day ended, the tandem traveled to Salay to validate the fish pond site of beneficiaries for their tilapia distribution. This is in part of Governor GYVBE and PAGRO's goal of ensuring the food security of impoverished farmers in this province. Still on Friday, October 9, 2020, Governor Bambe Emano congratulated Iligan Mayor, the Honorable Celso Regencia, after the city's recent COVID reports showed a successive downward trend for its new cases, an increase in recoveries, and a significant cut in the number of local transmissions. Due to Mayor Celso Regencia's rapid action and implementation of directives, the COVID situation in the city is now manageable. Although Iligan City's total victory over COVID-19 is not yet complete, it is clear that raising the quarantine classification of Iligan into MECQ have been very effective in controlling the movement of people, resulting in a drastic decrease in local transmissions. The raising of quarantine classification is also a matter long been requested by the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 to the DOH and the National IATF, but has not yet been granted to Misamis Oriental. With the recent developments, Governor Bambe Emano hopes that the good example set by Iligan City will be followed by other cities who are struggling to reduce and control the escalation of COVID cases, especially local transmission. And from October 5 to 10 this year, the Food Committee through the Office of the Provincial Social Welfare and Development under the leadership of Mr. Junlemar Abella extended another round of relief assistance, distributing 1,464 food packs to different municipalities of this province on board the PDRRMO vehicle. LGU Initaw once again received 304 food packs, LGU Lagonglong 304 food packs, Subbong Kogon 200 and 152 in Kinogitan. The municipality of Taguluan also received 504 food packs. The food assistance initiated by the provincial government is a resource augmentation to LGUs affected by COVID-19. And starting on Monday, October 5, 2020, to jumpstart the celebration for Teachers Month, the Provincial Early Childhood Care and Development Office, headed by Ms. Meridan Lilay Okot, facilitated various activities to honor child development workers for their hard work and dedication in guiding the next generation of Misamisnons. Through the support of Governor Bambe Emano, the provincial ECCD distributed 1,458,000 pesos, half of the allocated honorarium for this year, to 731 child development workers, 614 of which have already been successfully given, and the remaining is scheduled to be handed this week. In addition, personalized thank you cards bearing Governor Bambe Emano's message of gratitude were given to all child development workers for the province. Lastly, the provincial ECCD facilitated the production and distribution of modified session plan guides to all child development workers. The modified session plan will be the basic framework and reference of Misamis Oriental's CDWs as they cope up with the new normal to fully deliver their service. This being only the first phase of the project and activities devised by Governor Bambe for Teachers Month, truly Misamis Oriental is fortunate to have a governor who strives to not only continue but also improve the delivery of essential services to the people despite the difficulties brought by COVID-19. As we go into the second half of Teachers Month, expect more programs and activities by Governor Bambe and the provincial ECCD as the province goes full speed ahead into the new normal for the education of all Misamisnans. Also last week, from October 3 to 9, the government's Hatid Tulong program brought home 92 ROFs and 238 LSIs. The Travel and Arrival Committee, through Attorney Jeffrey Saclot, with the assistance of the active staff from the Provincial Employment Services Office, have smoothly facilitated the influx of locally stranded individuals and returning overseas Filipinos in this province. A total of 55 individuals were also housed in Marian Suites. Overall, 7,543 Misamisnons have been provided with utmost care and attention by the provincial government of Misamis Oriental. Every day we are building our tomorrow. Call us the province of change. Call us the province of the future. Call us the best in Region 10. A province that is still working to get better. We have the plans, the vision, the imagination, the will to go there, and we're on our way. Jinky Receipt, PIO.